This is going to be a quick video on how to single crochet, and this is the left-handed version. So this is a quick one. If you want a more in-depth version about the single crochet, then you can check out the longer video that I have for this, and that would be the right-handed version, but it goes on all about the stitch and you can learn a lot more about it. All right, so I have gotten started and I have worked a chain here, and I have made 6 chains. You can work as long of a chain as you would like. So we are going to work in this chain and we are going to work a single crochet. So what you're going to want to do is you will want to work in your second chain from your hook. So this is the first one, this is the second one. So we're going to work in this chain. So you can work in your chain a couple different ways. So you can either work just in this top part of the V here, this loop here, this leg of the V, or you can work right above the bottom leg of the V here, and you would insert your hook that way, and you would actually have 2 little loops on your hook. So whatever way you would prefer. There is also another way to work in the chain, but we are not going to go over that today. This is just a good basic way, and you can work in your chain usually however you wish unless a pattern states otherwise. All right, so we're going to work in the second chain. So here's 1, here's 2. We are going to work in that top leg of the V. So I am going to insert my hook right in that top leg, and now I have 2 loops on my hook. You're going to work a yarn over, and this is going to catch under your hook there, and you're going to pull over that middle loop. And now we have 2 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over again and pull through both of those loops, and we have created 1 single crochet. So you're going to continue that all the way across your chain. So we are going to go in that top loop, yarn over, let that catch, pull over that middle section, and then pull the last 2 loops over your hook, and we're going to keep going, yarning over, letting that catch, pull over that middle guy, yarn over again, pull through the remaining 2. And we are almost at the end of our chain. So we have 1 more left. And at the end of your row 1, you will have 5 single crochet if you worked 6 chains. So you're always going to have 1 less chain. So we chained 6 in the beginning, and now we are going to have 5 stitches. So you look at the tops of your stitches, they look like a row of chains, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And there's a little gap there, you can just cinch that closed. All right, so now we're going to work row 2, and you're going to repeat row 2 for however long you want your swatch. So you are going to chain 1, and we're going to turn our work, and that just means you're flipping it over to the other side. So we are facing it this way, and then we're just flipping it over. So what we're going to do is we are going to work under this row of chains. So we're working right in this first stitch right there. You're going to insert your hook there, and you can kind of see a little bit of a hole there too. So you're going to insert your hook under that row, under that little chain or a V. So one leg of the V, the other leg. So I'm going to put my hook in there, and we're going to repeat what we did for row 1. So you're going to yarn over, let that catch under, and now we're just going to pull through that middle section there, yarn over again, pull through. And you're just going to keep going. So under the next one, insert your hook, yarn over, let that catch under, pull that middle section over the hook, yarn over again, pull through the remaining 2, and you just repeat that all the way across. And you'll just repeat row 2 for however long you want to work single crochet. There's that last stitch there. It's a little crunched up there, but we can get that under there. You don't want to miss a stitch. And we have completed row 2, and we should have 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we do. So again, just repeat row 2 for however long you want your swatch, and I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial, and thank you so much for watching.